I made $200 per day without experience with just smartphone and internet. First off, let's talk about the power of digital skills. In 2023, the demand for graphic design, video editing, and digital marketing skills is higher than ever. But what if you're a beginner with no experience? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's explore some platforms where you can learn these skills for free. Platforms like Coursera and Khan Academy offer free courses in graphic design, video editing, and digital marketing. You can learn at your own pace and start building your digital skills. But how do you choose the right course? Let's discuss some strategies. Once you've acquired the skills, it's time to put them to use. Freelancing platforms like Upwork have become a goldmine for digital professionals. You can offer your services, work on exciting projects, and earn a good income right from the comfort of your home. Say you become an expert and you sell your service for $40 and you get only 5 orders a day. That means you get $200 per day. But remember, competition is fierce, so you need to stand out. Let's dive deeper. 1. You should have a clear idea of what skills and services you can provide to your potential clients and how they can benefit from them. You should also know your target market and niche, and how to position yourself as an expert in your field. 2. You should have a professional and attractive online profile that showcases your skills, portfolio, testimonials, and contact information. You should also use social media, blogs, podcasts, or other platforms to share your expertise, build your reputation, and attract new clients. Another great way to make money online is by teaching what you know. Platforms like Udemy allow you to create and sell your own courses. So, if you've learned something valuable, why not share your knowledge and make money along the way? Let's see how you can create a successful online course. Hands up! Who wants to spend weeks of their life creating an online course only to have no one buy it? Don't think so. Once you've picked your online course topic, or at least narrowed your choices down to 2 or 3, the next step is to conduct a number of market research tests. The goal is to understand if there's demand for what you're teaching, and that's a wrap. Pro tip: if you learned a video editing skill, you can make a YouTube channel and get a very good income. Remember, the digital world is full of opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.